Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Just keep in mind that blisters usually heal on their own within a few days. Popping a blister disrupts this natural process, and it could mean that your blister will take a little longer to completely disappear. You'll also need to keep a close eye on it after you pop it to monitor for signs of infection.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Leave the skin on top intact to protect the underlying skin, then put a dry, clean dressing over the top to protect the area while it heals. Eventually, that bubble of skin will dry and peel away, and the skin underneath will have had a chance to recover.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If a blister isn't too painful, try to keep it intact. Unbroken skin over a blister may provide a natural barrier to bacteria and decreases the risk of infection. Cover it with an adhesive bandage or moleskin.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Blisters are small pockets of clear fluid under a layer of skin. Blood blisters are red or black and filled with blood instead of clear fluid. If the blister is infected, it can be red, hot and filled with green or yellow pus.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
A blister is a bubble of fluid under the skin. The clear, watery liquid inside a blister is called serum. It leaks in from neighboring tissues as a reaction to injured skin. If the blister remains unopened, serum can provide natural protection for the skin beneath it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you develop blisters after being bitten by an insect, don't burst them because they may become infected. Blisters don't usually cause pain unless they rupture, burst, and expose the new skin underneath. If possible, use an adhesive bandage, plaster, to protect the blistered area.
Take our lead.
Most blisters heal naturally after 3 to 7 days and don't require medical attention. It's important to avoid bursting the blister, because this could lead to an infection or slow down the healing process. If the blister does burst, don't peel off the dead skin.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cover your blister with a loosely wrapped bandage. You can use a regular adhesive bandage or some gauze secured with tape. Your blister needs air to help it dry out, so keep the middle of the bandage slightly raised for airflow.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Treating blisters. Most blisters heal naturally after 3 to 7 days and don't require medical attention. It's important to avoid bursting the blister, because this could lead to an infection or slow down the healing process. If the blister does burst, don't peel off the dead skin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.